Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok views. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok views, you should just go to settings. Here on this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. You will find this window of clear data. Don't click here. In the end, you can go to your airplane mode. You can turn on and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.